And so as I was preparing this sermon, the Holy Spirit said I should tell about a few people that the rain is coming upon your life to indicate a restart season for you. That some things are about to be put away because some new things are about to happen for you. Because, my friends, God sent me here this morning to declare that the rain is coming. That whatever has been dead in your life, the rain is about to bring it back to life. See, my friends, one other thing about the rain is that the rain refreshes. The rain brings about germination and restoration. And so I don't know what it is that the devil killed in your life, or that you killed by yourself unknown. God says, I shall announce to you, the rain is about to bring it back to life. God says, I shall announce to you that he's about to give you new life. That the devil is a liar. That in the places where you've been defeated, when you get back tomorrow morning, new life, new experience, because the rain